Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of oven rack pullers and pushers. This is a really creative idea. You don't have to get out your oven mitts to be able to do things, because sometimes those oven mitts get in the way or they slip. They can just be kind of hard to control. So this is a 2-pack. They're very sturdy. They actually have a cute little bird design on them and a little holder at the end. So you can then hook these up and be able to grab them quickly whenever you're needing to get in your oven. So I'm gonna bring you in here close and show you just how these work. So here are the little hooks up close. So you've got a hook here and a hook here, so you can then push and pull. And then you have your little holder that you can then hang it up for easy access. So when you open up your oven, you can just grab this, and it's got a nice long handle on it, so your hand isn't anywhere close to that heat. And then whenever you want to push it back in, you just flip this over and you can push your rack back in. So I really like that because, I don't have to get in there and be anywhere near that heat, especially even with my kids to be able to get in there and pull things out to be able to grab the trays. They can grab this out and I don't have to worry about them being anywhere near the oven heat. Just grab it, put it back up, and you are ready to go.